Hello. Yes, you stop. Yes, stop you. Before you hit that your upload button on your YouTube channel, here are the few things you must know if you don't want your video to be flawed. If you are a beginner or already posting, this particular secret will save your time, help you to grow your views and every other thing, and save you from making these particular mistakes every other YouTubers out there are making, and they are regretting it. So if this video is what you would like to watch, consider to watch to the end. Like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, very important, to get you notified each time I publish a new video. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. So number one in my list is know your audience first. You get? Don't just start posting randomly. Ask yourself, this my video, who is it for? Who is this my video made for? You get? So the clearer your target audience is, the easier to create videos that connect with them. By so doing, you get more watch time and you grow your view. You get subscribers. Do you get? So number two, your thumbnails and your titles are everything. The truth is that, you see, this YouTube is like a battlefield for attention. So if your thumbnail and your title does not grab attention, people will scroll and pass your video without clicking to watch. But if your thumbnail and your title grabs attention, before they will scroll down your video, they must click and watch that your video before they scroll, because your title and your thumbnail is catchy. It grabs the audience attention. Do you get? So work on your title and work on your thumbnail if you want to grab your audience attention, so that they will not scroll and pass your video. So if your thumbnail doesn't grab, no one will click. And if your title doesn't spark curiosity, people will scroll and pass. So before you post that your video, design a thumbnail with a bold text that wherever people are, they can easily do what? Read that your text. And make sure that you design a title that before that person was that person will not even scroll. It will say, I need to watch this video now. Now, because of that your thumbnail and your title. Did you get? Number three, SEO is your best friend. SEO, that is search engine optimization, is your best friend. So don't just upload and hope for the best result. No, rather you use a keyword for your title, for your description, and tags that people are searchable, that people are searching for. Do you get? So you better think of YouTube as a search engine. Yes, because it is one. YouTube is a search engine. You get? So if you do not make use of SEO, you are hiding your video in the dark. So optimize your video, your title, your description, your tags very, very well. Those things that you know that people are searching for. By so doing, your video will be visible. People will click and watch. But if you fail to use the SEO, you are hiding your videos. So number four, quality over quantity. Yes, So it's not about how many videos you post, you upload. It's about the quality, the value of that video that you post. So it's how valuable each one is. You get viewers, they may forgive like bad lightning, but they will not forgive boring and empty videos. So make every videos worth someone's time. Do you get? Because if your video is not valuable, if you are rushing to be posting without posting valuable content, trust you me that people will scroll and pass. They will not watch, because one is their time, one is their money, one is their data. So what are you saying? So before you can be able to post, make sure that you are posting quality video and not quantity. And each video that you are posting, make sure they are valued so that it will worth somebody's time. You get? So if you are still watching this video up to this moment and you've not subscribed, please subscribe to this video, like, comment, share. Let's go. So number 5, engagement is the key. So before you post your video, plan on how you will make your audience, your viewers, to engage in that particular video that you are about to post. So you ask questions in your video. Always tell your viewers to comment their thoughts. Tell them to like your video. Tell them to subscribe to your video, because engagement tells YouTube that this video is valuable. Please help me and push it to more people, to more audience. So please, before I forget, remember to like, comment, subscribe, share this particular video you are watching. This is the same thing that we are talking about. Please try and engage in this video. It's the same engagement that I'm telling you people. So number 6, follow YouTube rules. Like, don't post any copyrighted music, stolen clips, or anything that is against YouTube policy. That is why that we always tell you people to post your original content. Originality. Do you get? When you take anybody's content without fully reacted to that particular content in a right way, it's a stolen clips. If you use music that is copyrighted, your revenue will be going to the owner, or two of you will be sharing the revenue. Or if you go against any of the YouTube policy, is another problem. So try and follow YouTube rules, because many new content creators are demonetized and some of them are banned. Why? Because they don't know any of YouTube rules. So to be in a safe side, protect your channel from day one. Originality. Post your original content. Even if you want to take other people's content or clip, do it the right way. Do it the right way. Leave copyrighted music alone. Number 7, post with strategy. Don't just upload and disappear. No. Try and reply to every comment, and also track your analytics, because success comes from consistency plus smart promotion. So do everything the right way and you will succeed. Why not? These are the 7 tips I have for you. But remember, before you upload your next video, remember all these golden rules that I've given to you now, because there can be the difference between the video that is buried and the video that blows up. So if you watch this video to the end, please remember to like, share, subscribe, turn on a notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you very much for staying with me up to this moment. Thank you. Bye.